In this video, I'm going to go over how I locked in over $5,000 today using this simple strategy. The first thing to know when trading futures is the market usually moves the cleanest after everybody has been stopped out or faked out. Now, we can actually use that to our advantage. As you'll see here, this huge flush candle, everyone is probably anticipating a large move to the downside, but not everyone is looking over here to the left. And that is the root of a lot of problems that traders run into, as they will see a huge quick move and get FOMO and try to jump in, and they'll end up immediately getting reversed on because they weren't aware of the bigger picture. In general, I always like to watch the 5-minute, the 15-minute, and the 1-hour time frames so I don't get caught trying to chase a trade like this. Now, generally, I actually like this for a short as we retest a VWAP right in that area, because sometimes that can signify a reversal throughout the day. The reason why I did not take the short here is because we just took out that key level, which is known as a liquidity sweep. Essentially, you'll flush through a previous level of support, but really quickly, and then it'll immediately bounce back in the opposite direction. Now, if you want the technical term, this is basically a tweezer bottom. As you can see, there's two strong wicks on the downside holding above the 21 EMA. This, paired with reclaiming the VWAP, allows me the confidence to take a long position here, at least back up to the 9 EMA. And the sizing I use depends on how volatile the market is. Today, it was pretty choppy back and forth. It was trading in a range. It was sweeping the high and then sweeping the low. So I played it safe and just used one NASDAQ contract. Also, I absolutely hate taking a loss on a Friday. So I just like to lock in like $1,000 if I can and just call it for the week. Just like the rest of the trades I take, once we get about like 10 points typically in the money, I like to bring my stop up above break even. That way the trade is then risk free, and then once we get closer to the target that I had, I just keep trailing my stop and eventually let it take me out. And as you'll see, I basically just try to lock in to where my stop, when it hits, I'll be guaranteed $1,000 on the day. You can just see me slowly creep it up as we go here. And we're also kind of approaching a key level of resistance that you'll be able to see on this other chart that I always have up, where I have marked the key levels of support and resistance. And that key level of support is coming from those pre-market levels that I always talk about. So if you got anything from this video, make sure you like and follow for more content coming soon.